The overmolding process involves the use of distinctly different materials to form one cohesive component. Overmolding adds immeasurable value to product design by enhancing the end user's experience in terms of comfort, ergonomics, and ease of use. A toothbrush with a hard spine and a soft, easy grip is a perfect example of an overmolded product. Contrasting colors are easily achieved through overmolding. Overmolding lowers total cost because it reduces the number of steps involved in making a product. Instead of using one machine for one material, Bemis, with a quick 2-second flip of the mold, combines multiple steps into a single injection molding process. Bemis has the ability to run 4 different materials in a 3-barrel machine, making it easy to mold logos, instructions, warnings, and anything else onto the part itself.